Alright, so I'm going to use my 12-inch taping knife and the 14-inch mud pan. What you want to do is check for that light. See how the light's coming through? That's where the mud needs to go. So I'm just going to fill the corner bead going vertically, and then I'm going to turn the drywall taping knife horizontally and do the pulls to smooth it out here. This is the all-purpose joint compound that I'm using. I didn't thin it down. I added just a couple drops of water to a mud pan. You don't want to completely fill the corner bead with mud. You just want to get a coat up there. The cleaner you keep the corner bead and don't pile up the mud, the better off you're going to be. See how I just took the mud off the corner bead? You don't want that to dry there. It just turns into more work. Keep it clean and you'll be good to go with minimal sanding. Subscribe for more drywall tips. Thanks for watching.